So we'll continue with trigonometric functions integrations. See a question. So before that, you write out the formula. So first one is 2 sin A cos B. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Second, 2 cos A cos B cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Third, 2 sin A sin B equals to cos difference minus cos plus. Cos difference cos plus means cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So look at its application. So if you get a question, suppose you get a question 2 sin 3x into cos 4x dx. Product rule we have not learned so far, so we will be using this formula. So there is no 2 suppose, then you have to create in this form 2 cos A cos B, 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A cos B you have to create. So how to create 2 sin A cos B? Now you have to write half of 2 sin 3x cos 4x dx. Okay, so that is half of, since 2 sin A cos B sin A plus B plus sin A minus B means product you are splitting to sum for. That is the only clue you are getting here. Product form you cannot integrate. If you use the formula, it will convert to sum function plus some other function. So this will be half of integration sin A plus B, sin A plus B, the sin 3x plus 4x plus sin A minus B, sin A minus B, sin 3x minus 4x. So dx. So that will give us half of sin 7x dx plus sin A minus B sin minus x dx. Okay, here you are using formula sin of minus theta. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So now this thing you can integrate, that is half of minus cos 7x sin का integration cos divided by chain rule 7x का 7. This is minus sin x dx. So conclusion is half of minus cos 7x by 7. Again sin का integration minus cos x, so minus will be plus cos x plus constant. Okay, now let me take one more question. If I find a question cos 5x cos 3x dx 3x. Okay, so you have to make it half of 2 cos 5x cos 3x dx. So I made it half into 2 because when you find a product form of trigonometric function, try to make half of 2. Then this will be 2 cos a cos b. So what is 2 cos a cos b? 2 cos a cos b cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So that is half of integration. Now you start learning directly. Cos a plus b, 5x plus 3x, cos 8x, cos a minus b, 5x minus 3x, cos 2x. Okay, then cos का integration half sin 8x divided by 8, फिर cos sin 2x divided by 2 plus a constant. Okay, now if you like to write, you can, or you can leave it, or you write sin 8x by 16, sin 2x by 4. It's up to you. Okay, but if you get a question sin 3x, sin 4x, sin 5x, what do you do in this case? Triple functions you have got here. So first make is half of 2, so that is half of integration to sin 3x sin 4x. Make is one part multiplied by sin 5x. Okay, then which formula here? 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b cos difference minus cos plus. This is how you remember, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So cos difference minus cos plus. So half of cos difference. Look at difference. Directly you write 3x minus 4x minus x minus cos plus cos of 3x plus 4x 7x. Then here is sin 5x. Okay. Now what is cos of minus theta? Now cos theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So this will be cos x. Now what you do is this you multiply to both. This into this minus this into this. So you will get half integration cos x sin 5x minus cos 7x sin 5x. Okay. Again you can make as half of 2. Half of 2. So can I write here half of, this half is there, again half of 2, half of 2. So half I can multiply here, 2 cos x sin 5x dx minus 2, again 2 here, 2 cos 7x sin 5x dx. Okay, which formula here? 2 sin a cos b. Look at 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. So write 2 sin a cos b sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So this is 1 by 4. Look, sin a plus b. Sin this is called sin a cos b. Sin a plus b. That is integration sin 5x plus x 6x plus sin a minus b means sin 4x. This part is done. Come back to this part. Minus sin a plus b. A plus b sin 12x plus sin a minus b 5x minus 7x minus 2x. Okay. Acha. This is the formula is here. Only this part. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Since sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, so this will be minus. This part will be what? Minus sin 2x. This. So I should not get you confused. This will be changed to minus will be here, this will be plus. So keeping in the mind, we will integrate. Okay, 1 by 4. This is minus cos 6x by 6 minus cos 4x by 4. This is one part. Minus cos 12x by 12. Then this minus has come here. This is sin, again minus. So minus will be plus. Cos 2x by 2. Okay. If you want to open the bracket, it is minus cos 6x by 24 minus cos 4x by 16 plus cos 4 and 12 cos 12x by 48 minus plus, then minus plus minus cos 2x by 8 plus a constant. So there are some questions in our textbook. You will try to solve. Now look at another question. So if you get a question sin cube 2x or x cos cube x dx, because it is product form, don't use sin cube x cos cube x formula which I have given you. First you have to combine to make it a single function first. So how to make a single function? Now can I write half into 2 sin x cos x cube dx. So half into 2 I can do. Then 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. So this part will be sin 2 theta, sin 2x. Sin 2x but cube. So altogether this part is 1 by 8. This is sine 2x but cube. So sine cube 2x. Look, two functions combined to one function. Now you can use formula here. Sine cube theta 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta by 4. Don't use this formula here because when you use both, that will be more and more complicated. You cannot integrate. Always try to simplify. I have done the simplification, then I have gone to formula. Okay, what shall I get then? 3 sine theta. That means 3 sine 2x minus sine 3x. Sine 3x divided by 4. Okay. So 1 by 8 4 the 32. 3 sine का integration minus cos 2x by 2. This is minus will be plus. Cos 6x by 6 plus a constant. So if you can multiply, that will be easy for us. Minus 3 by 64 cos 2x plus 1 by 92 cos 6x plus constant. Okay, this is one pattern. See another question. If you get a question, tan cube 2x, this is important question, say 2x dx. How will you do this? So, one step I am writing for you. Can I write tan 2x, tan square x, 2x, I have split this one. Then sec 2x dx. So when I split, why? Now I can use formula here. So what formula I will use here? So let me write these two together. Tan 2x sec 2x, this one sec square x minus 1. Okay. Sec square 2x. See if I multiply, let me keep this one same. Tan 2x sec 2x together with sec square 2x dx minus this is multiplied with 1 tan 2x sec 2x dx. Okay, this that is a formula. What formula is that? Can you remember? First let me check this part. I have given you. Can you recall what is derivative of sec 2x? Sec theta, sec x you write first. That is sec x tan x. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. That means its derivative is this one. This derivative is this one. So what is the formula I will use here? So therefore, one more formula again I am writing. Sec theta tan theta d theta. Its integration is sec theta. This I have given you. So this one I can use this formula. For this one you are using what formula? So you will use also f dash x fx to the power n is what? Now fx to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Observe it. This is your f dash x. This is your fx power is n. Became bit complicated. Try to see. This is the derivative of sec. Derivative of sec is sec tan. So sec tan is here. That means this is f dash x. Whose derivative? Now function ka derivative. What is function? Now sec 2x, which I have given here. So what is the conclusion then? So the conclusion is, when I will integrate fx ka power n, n means 2. So first part will be sec 2x ka power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. But chain rule, because in place of x you have got 2x. 2x ka derivative is 2, you have to divide. This 2 is chain rule part. 2x ka derivative to divide. This is nth formula of fx. Fx to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 if its derivative is present here. Sec 2x ka derivative is present here. Okay, if you go to this part, that is sec 2x, because sec 2x ka derivative, integration of derivative will be 10 2x sec 2x. So its integration is sec. Again chain rule, because angle is 2x, so you have to divide by 2 plus a constant. So conclusion, sec cube 2x by 3 2 is 6 minus sec 2x by 2 plus a constant. Okay, this is one pattern. Now if you get sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x cos square x, sin square x cos square x, how does it look? What can be done in this? Simply divide separately. You divide it, you will get your answer. That will be sec cube x by sin cube x by sin square x cos square x plus cos cube x by sin square x cos square x. Okay, so today and in the last class we are dealing only with the trigonometric function. Is the only complicated part. Remaining is directly based on the formula. So today we will be completing all the complicated questions. Okay, if you divide, what do you get? Now this becomes sin x by cos square x. This became cos x by cos x by 1 cos is cancelled, sin square x. Okay, so first sin by cos is 10 and 1 cos is here, 1 by cos is sec. This is same, cos by sin is cot x into 1 by sin is cosec x. This is the direct formula I have given you. What is the formula of this? Its integration. If you check your formula list, what will you get? Sec x. If you check your formula list, this will be minus cosec x. Then a constant. So techniques are there, you have to follow it. So if I show you another question like that, that is cos 2x by cos x plus sin x whole square. Okay. What is the clue here? Do you get any clue in this question? The first clue is the angle is different. Try to make the same angle. So cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos and sin. Remember what I have given you? Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So it is cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos x plus sin x whole square. Simple, not difficult now, because I have used the formula here. Now what I can do is I can factorize it. So factorization will give you cos x minus sin x, cos x plus sin x, cos x plus sin x whole square. So one of them is cancelled. Now what is left out? Look at cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Which formula? The sin का डेरिवेटिव is cos. check here. Sin का डेरिवेटिव is cos. Cos का डेरिवेटिव sin. If you need, I can write one line for you. But even then, you can be clear from here. Cos x minus sin x, cos x plus sin x means इसका डेरिवेटिव is this, इसका डेरिवेटिव is this. Means ये f dash x, ये fx. So formula to be used. Which formula? F dash x means this is f dash x because इसका डेरिवेटिव ये है. This is your function. Which formula I have given you? Don't go for t every time because now you learn how to use direct formula. So which formula? Its derivative is this one. That means log fx. Okay, this is log fx. That is log of denominator. What is denominator here? So that became log of cos x plus sin x. Log of denominator, they plus a constant. So like this, there are some other questions you will try to solve. I'll take a new formula, new question. Formula you see here. So formula is sin nx 1 by sin nx cos mx dx. So what is your n plus n? If n plus n is 2k, 2k means it should be even number. 2k means when you add these two powers should be 4, should be 2, should be 6, means should be even. Then divide the numerator, and denominator by cos 2kx. Means whatever will come here with cos power, you will divide numerator and denominator. So based on this, there are 3 questions that you see. First question is tan x root over by sin x cos x. But I did not give formula like this. I gave you a formula of in this way: sin nx cos mx. Means your numerator should be 1. यहाँ तो 1 भी नहीं है, it's not there. So let me split it as sin and cos. So that will be sin x root over by Sin x I will write here. Its का cos part I am writing here. Cos x root over cos x. Okay. Now, if I simplify these two, this will be sin half x. So, which is 1 by, now 1 came up. Because I had given in formula 1 by sin something, cos something. You have to bring to this form. Which is coming now. How? Now it is coming. 1 sin is cancelled, so it will be sin of half. Okay? Then cos half plus 1. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2. So I simplified it, brought to the formula. Now check whether half plus 3 by 2 is even or not. Now what is half plus 3 by 2? That is 4 by 2, that is 2. 2 means cos ka this power you have to divide. Will divide by numerator divided by cos 2x, 2k. What is 2k here? 2k is 2. So now we have to divide the numerator and denominator by cos ka which power? Cos ka is a sum ka power. That is how much? 2. That means cos square x. Cos square x is divided here, cos square x is divided here. So that will be 1 by cos square x divided by sin half x cos 3 by 2x divided by cos square x. Okay. थोड़ा सा lengthy, try to see. Then what will you get? This becomes sec square x. Sec square x by sin half x. So here you look at here. If I bring this power here, then it will be 2 minus 3 by 2. 2 minus 3 by 2. If I bring this power here, because division means power you have to subtract. I will bring this term here. So 2 minus 3 by 2 is half. That means the denominator will be cos root x. That will be cos x ka power half. Look here again. This power I have brought down. So if I brought down means, if you like, I can write here 1 by cos 2 minus 3 by 2x. Look, cos 2 power has come down minus 3 by 2. So 4 minus 3 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 I have written here. Now sin x power half, cos x power half. This is 10x. So it became sec square x by 10x का root over. Now check 10x का derivative sec square x. Which formula? The formula is f dash x by fx. 3 formula I have given you. Power n. This is fx to the power minus n plus 1 by minus n plus 1. Okay. So 10x power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. So that is how much? This is 1 by 2, because 1 minus half is 1 by 2. So 10x ka root over divided by, this is 2, that 2 I can write here. 2 loss constant. So you may be confused. I'll write one more question like this. Look at question. 1 by sin x cos cube x dx. It is a simple one. Simple one means what is n plus n? That is 1 plus 3, that is 4. Even number? It should be even. Then divide numerator, denominator by cos का 4th power. So dividing numerator and denominator by cos का ये वाला power 4x. Whatever even power comes, that you have to divide. So it became 1 by cos 4x divided by sin x cos cube x by cos 4x. Look at what are you going to get? This became sec 4x. This is cancelled. Sin by cos. Sin by cos is 10x. Okay. The problem is now 10 का डेरिवेटिव तो sec square x है, but here you are finding sec 4x. So you have to split into two parts. How will you split? It will be sec square x divided by 10x. Okay, these 10 का the derivative sec square x, but it is multiplication. So how to solve? Look here. Sec square x, ये sec square पे लिखो 1 plus tan square x divided by 10x. Okay. Now I have to multiply this. What shall I get? That will be sec square x plus sec square x tan square x divided by, individually you divide, tan x here, tan x here. Because plus is there, so two parts will make. I made it two parts. Okay, 1 10 the cancel. Now you can check here f dash x by fx. F dash x by fx log fx. This became log fx. You start derivative with this one. So log of denominator. This part is done. This I have to simplify. So this is log of denominator is 10x. Okay. Plus integration sec square x into 10x. This 10 the gone. So you write sec x into sec x 10x. Check it. Sec square is 1 sec here, 1 sec 10. Why? Now ये वाला sec का derivative is this one. Sec x का derivative is sec x 10x. Means this is your fx, this is your f dash x. So formula fx, this is fx, this is f dash x. Power is n. What is n here? N is 1. Here n is 1. So what is the formula of this? The formula is fx to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So n plus 1 you got here. What is n? 1. So that is log 10x plus sec का power is 1, sec square x by 2 plus constant. Okay, shall give one question like this. You will try. Tomorrow we will learn some new formula. You try this question. Sin square x, cos square x. There are two methods to solve. You can try this method also. Class 7.3 remaining questions you try to complete. Tomorrow will be a very interesting class.